Topic 12.2.1 questions. Number 1. Name the physical quantity on which the trajectory traced by an alpha particle depends. एक वर्ड छूट गया, डिपेंड्स होगा. Okay. What is impact parameter? Okay. What is the relation between impact parameter and scattering? How they are related? मतलब qualitative you have to write, formula you need not to write because formula ncert में नहीं दिया. In which case the value of impact parameter becomes minimum? ये भी ncert में direct है. For a large impact parameter, what will be the approximate value of deflection? Okay, which implies that the mass of the atom is concentrated in a small volume, which implies that. Next, draw a neat diagram to show the trajectory of a alpha particle along with impact parameter and scattering angle. ठीक है, इसका आंसर सेंड करना.